Dalian is a major sub-provincial port city in Liaoning Province, People's Republic of China, and is Liaoning's second largest city, after the provincial capital Shenyang, and the third most populous city of northeast China. Located on the southern tip of Liaodong Peninsula, it is the southernmost city in both Liaoning and the entire northeast. Dalian borders the prefectural cities of Yingkou and Anshan to the north and Dandong to the northeast, and also shares maritime boundaries with Qinhuangdao and Huludao across the Liaodong Bay to west and northwest, Yantai and Weihai on the Shandong Peninsula across the Bohai Strait to the south, and North Korea across the Korea Bay to the east. The policewomen on horseback patrol Renmin Square in front of the city government's office building and Xinghai Square, one of the city's most attractive scenic spots. They also stand guard for important conferences and at expos in Dalian. Thank you for watching. Please comment and like.